Bob Marley.
We're listening to some Bob Marley while in our car wash in Epping. And there's our toy over here, like washing both cars for us.
Double car wash, mate.
Yep, exactly.
The tight ass way.
Yep, the Taurus way. Man, it is like the Wog way, man. Yeah, the Wog way, bro. That's the Wog stuff.
Yeah, you save water, mate.
That's it.
Saving water and saving money.
And life as well.
We're saving life, like the lifestyle.
Be happy.
Be happy, that's the one.
Every life we have some trouble. When you worry, you make it stop. But don't worry.
DJ.
Don't worry, babe.
Look at him washing his VL. Calais. Is it that's the German. And that is the end of our car wash. What's mapping? Logs, bro.